Nobody asked, but in today's video I want to show you guys how I get my hair to go from this fluffy short afro to this slick back low bun ponytail. Well, kind of ponytail. Personally, I do not add any artificial hair at the ends of my hair because I really do not mind it looking like this. For some people, they want, that fluffiness at the back, but I really don't mind. First, you're going to need any gel of your choice. I like to use the Eco Styler gel because that's just what works for me. Then you're gonna need a paddle brush. This really helps to detangle my hair further and also make sure that I get every knots out and every tangles. Then you're going to need a ragtail comb, and got to be gel is totally optional. I like to use it for extra hold for the stray short hairs around the front, but you do you. It's very important to make this style on really moisturized, cleaned hair and also wet hair, especially because we are working on kinky hair and also our hair is quite short. Here I'm parting my hair in the middle because that's where I want my parts to go. You can part it anywhere that you want, but I also find that because of the length of my hair, the middle part is easiest to work with and also easiest to manipulate and keep it in place really. I am going to be sectioning my hair into 3 big sections. 2 at the front and 1 big one at the back. Now the section at the back is going to be kind of like my foundation for the rest of the hair. I'm gonna be combing through that to make sure I have every tangle out and every knot out. Then add a generous amount of gel to it, and then I comb through it again and make sure to get out every tangles. This is because the back, this section at the back is really the foundation for the rest of the hair. Every other hair that is going to come, or every other section, is going to be working to attach to this section at the back, so it really needs to be flat and really slicked down. So I tie that up and I keep it, and then I start to work my way up. I work my way up in sections, in smaller sections, so that I can again have my hair all coated with gel. And then when I get to the front of my hair, I like to work in way smaller sections. This is because my hair is short, and smaller sections means that the hair is going to be without weird bumps, and you're going to get every strand coated with gel and get everything laid and slicked down. That's the whole idea of this hairstyle really. So I'm just repeating the same process that I had at the back. Applying gel, combing through, slicking down and combing through with the paddle brush to get every knots out and every tangle out, and attaching it to the foundation bun at the back. The smaller the sections at the top, or in general, the more likely you are to get the best result, and also a very slick down hairstyle that is actually going to last longer than if you rush through it. So you need to really take your time and walk through this. This is not the healthiest hairstyle, I have to admit, because as you can see, there's a lot of combing through, tugging, pushing, brushing through. And if hair health is important to you, honestly, this is not the style that you want to make every single day. This is a style that you make once in a while, just because you want to change, or you want to look different, or you want to get your hair to look different. So here I'm just gonna be repeating the same process really on this side. Work in smaller sections, make sure to detangle, brush through, lay down, and then go up, work my way up as I go. I am taking off the excess gel from my hair because I work with a lot of gel, but it's just because I'm trying to gain control. But once I'm done, the gel is just too much, and it's just going to make the hair take longer to dry. Now this is where the got to be gel actually comes in place. Not all your hair in the front, because of the length, not all your hair in the front is going to be attaching to the bun at the back. Some of them are really just holding on to vibes, and their dear life. So the got to be gel really just helps me to give those ones some hold, and it really does help to hold the hair in for the days that I'm actually that I actually have the hairstyle in. It gives it the hold, and it's not too much. But I don't advise that you have the got to be gel a lot in your hair, or you do this hairstyle entirely with the got to be gel. Now in the front, I am just molding my baby hairs, and if you don't want baby hairs, that's fine, but for me, I like doing baby hairs, so that's what I'm doing here, just molding the baby hairs. And this is what I'm working with. This is what it looks like from the front and the back. And here I'm blow drying my hair on cool air. This is because I'm going to be tying my hair down with a silk scarf to allow it to dry overnight. But if you're going to do this style, you need to wait for your hair to dry halfway through, at least at the top, before you tie your hair down, or else when you take the scarf up, it might lift. So that's why I'm using a dryer to do that, because I'm doing this hairstyle in the middle of the night, and I really do not have, at this point, I was too tired to wait for it to air dry. So when you tie it, remember to tie the front to your forehead kind of, and not in the middle of your head as you will usually, because if you do that, you're going to wake up with a weird bump in the center of your hair. So this is what my hair looks like. This is what I'm working with. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be doing this style, and thank you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.